Hello and welcome. These are the do-it-yourself instructions to the Window Enhancement Kit. Included with your kit are multiple chimney blocks, a tube of glue, and a pair of gloves. Step 1. Remove the self-stick backing off of one chimney block and apply a few small dabs of glue directly to the self-stick surface of the chimney block. You will need to use 2 chimney blocks per window as desired for the left and right sides. Install location on the right side and install location on the left side. Step 2, we begin on the right side by taking one of the chimney blocks with the glue applied and placing it into the channel as shown. Immediately following, take a pen or pencil and slide the block downward into the channel as shown and apply firm pressure for at least 30 seconds. Repeat step 2 on the left side as shown. And remember, apply firm pressure for at least 30 seconds. Now you may repeat these steps as desired for each window in your home. The use of this kit is optional. Thanks for watching.